Hey guys, so what do I got here? All right, so I need to look at this to kind of think about what I did. All right, so I have 2 fresh garlic cloves here. All right, and they're diced and they're right there underneath all those onions. There is cayenne, there's pepper, there's turmeric powder, and there is some cracks of delicious Himalayan salt and some iodized sea salt. So I just drizzled the heck out of it over there with some olive oil, and I just diced like 2 little big pieces, like pieces like this much of fresh organic ginger. All this is organic, and I'm about to cut up some chicken, some organic chicken thighs. The reason I did it this way is because my mother said that she has a secret when she does her chuck roast, which I won't be doing that today. I'll be doing chicken, but she likes to lower it on low heat with a little bit of garlic and onion. And she says it's a secret. It's like it brings lots of flavor into the oil when you have garlic and onion in it. So instead of cooking it on low, I'm thinking of just letting it sit there with oil, just like the Italians do before serving a salad. Gives lots of flavor. And I'm about to get other things prepared, so catch you soon. Now look at that delicious collard greens. No, this is kale, guys. This is fresh, rinse, organic kale. I'm about to dice this baby and put it aside. It's time to put the chicken in. I'm thinking I want to try this, but I'm not so sure. I want to try it because sometimes if you put certain sauces together, you can create a miracle of spice and flavors in the mouth. Hey there. So I think one thing I forgot to say was that I put cayenne pepper in there, as well as turmeric, and what is it? Salt. Yeah. You gotta have all the goodies, like the cayenne, the turmeric, and the pepper, so that it'll all work for its benefits. See, this is raw. It needs to keep cooking. Next is I'm putting in the kale because the kale takes a while to cook. So while the chicken is still raw, I'm cooking the kale. Yes, let's get it cooked. Let's get it cooked just right so it tastes so good. It's not like too crunchy and annoying in the mouth. It's pleasant and tasty and pleasurable. Okay, so this dish was this dish was inspired by Zhang because she makes like this Cioppino kind of like seafood soup, and it's like so good. It's got all these delicious pieces of seafood, but this is chicken. So I'm gonna be using this right here, the Cioppino. The Cioppino sauce, okay? Fisherman's Wharf style, Alcatraz seafoods, okay? We lock in the freshness, okay? So let me just read a little bit about this. This says here, this Cioppino sauce recipe shares the same history as the Wharf's internationally acclaimed restaurants and fishing fleets, which are still opened by the grandchildren and great-grandchildren of the hardworking immigrants from the gold rush. Mike Lucas, this 3rd generation Northern California fisherman. That's right. So, what does this sauce have? It contains tomato puree, water, tomatoes, red wine vinegar. They contain sulfites, dried onion, cherry, cooking wine, salt added, clam juice, salt, dried garlic, dried anchovies, spices, fried celery. It contains fish and shellfish, okay? So now, what am I going to do now? This is boiling. So this is a good time, I say, to put in the sauce. It's time to put the sauce in. Okay, let's do this. So, I'm going to go with half of it. Half of that. Okay. See how it goes, and then this is going to go over a bed of jasmine rice. Yes, because I like that delicious fusion stuff. All right, so look at that, it's boiling. You want to see what it tastes like now? We got some rice over there. It's starting to come to a boil slightly. So I'm going to turn it around here. And since it's boiling, slightly boiling. So lower this thing to about 18 minutes. All right, so it's time to taste this and see what this tastes like. Okay, I'm gonna let you know. It smells very tomatoey. I'm not sure if it's gonna taste that good, but kind of spicy. Wow, that tastes spicy and good. I put some fish sauce and some salt to the magic. Sadly, we didn't stock on fish sauce, so I'm gonna use this Liquid Aminos and some sea salt. Just a few little sprays. Time to put in the carrots and the zucchini. Okay, let's see how this tastes like. Just stand here. All right, peoples. My husband is here recording me, and I'm very grateful. All right, so. See, this is my harmless coconut water with the rags of organic apple cider vinegar and the Mount Shasta water from the spring that you have to collect with your loved ones at the spring. Okay, honey. All right, here we go. So this is what I like to do before I eat. Drink water. Little water. Clear things out. All right, so this is a beautiful spoon I got in Italia, yeah. The Ambasso Contina, Ambasso, something like that. All right, so this is a nice plate my husband got me for Christmas. Oh, thank you very much. All right, so this is the meal I made, so that's how it looks like. You see there, yeah. And there's the rice. So I've never had this before, but I like to play with sauces. This is generally how much rice I'll serve myself, and if I don't eat it, well then I don't eat it. You say I'm gonna eat what I want. So there's the chicken, and I'm just gonna pour it right there with the veggies and the chicken, and just get a little more chicken right there. All right, so look at that. Looks like a pretty good meal, right? All right, so here's a little chicken, a little rice, and now I'm gonna taste it, and I'll tell y'all how it feels like. First of all, it feels like finally. Thank you, Jesus. I'm pretty impressed that I still feel like it needs more salt. Can you believe that? But it's very salty. And it tastes very hearty. Really yummy chicken. Tomatoey. Ooh, hot. You can use some fish sauce and a little more spice. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and maybe you will make this at home.